Today I am unboxing the Zwiesel Glas red Cabernet glass. So this is a red wine glass. And if we look on the side, it is made in Germany. Supposedly this is for professional use only. And on the side here, the material is known as this Tritan Glass Protect. It's clear and brilliant, break resistant, and it's dishwasher safe and food safe. So let's go ahead and open it and see what this looks like. All right, so luckily all my glasses came in one piece. And pulling one out, whoa, this feels pretty nice. So it has this sticker on it. Of course, we're going to remove it before using it and then washing it. But holding onto it, it feels very nice. Nice and thin glasses. Definitely, I'd say above average wine glass right here. And it's perfect for red wine. So we have the insignia right here if you can't see it. But either way, I now have a set of 6 red wine glasses that are German made and supposedly break resistant. So I wanted to show a quick comparison of a normal wine glass that is probably on the cheaper side. Aside from it being a bit shorter, you can see that the glass material is actually much thicker than this Zwiesel glass. Every time I go to a nice restaurant, I always notice that they have really nice thin glasses. And I think that it makes the wine experience more enjoyable whenever you drink it out of a nice wine glass. Of course, the other thing about these wine glasses and the shape and size, and specifically why it's supposed to be a red wine glass, is so that the aroma of the wine can shine through depending on the glass type that you use. So in this case, you can see that it's a longer, narrower wine glass, where this one is a bit wider and shorter. So with the longer one, it will allow the aroma of the wine to focus through to the top. And as you drink it, you get more of that aroma through your nose, and thus making that wine experience a bit more enjoyable.